car of the year in 1984, the Chevrolet Corvette. This particular one, just shy of 65,000 miles, a little over 64 on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Powered by a 350 small block Chevy 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Car has had a repaint along the way. It was originally a white car, just has had a repaint. Red leather interior. Only way you could get red interior in 84 was with leather. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that interior, engine bay, underside, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let you take a good look at the nose cone or the front fascia here. There's a few spots where there's maybe been a rock chip, what have you, touched up. I don't even know if I can get them to show up with the white. That's pretty tough to find them, but they are on there. You can see it's been just a small touch-up brush with the rock chip. Told you the car has been taken care of. Riding on the stock 84 wheels. Of course, a removable one-piece fiberglass top. T-tops were done in the C4s. C3 the last year of those. And take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's really free of much of any nicks, dings, or scratches up here on the doors, quarters. Automatic transmission, center console shift. Of course, power windows, power locks. The electronics in this was way ahead of its time. Looked like the cockpit of a jet engine when they came out. And quite the deal back in 1984. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Riding on BF Goodrich G-Force radials in nice shape. I also have pictures of that top on the car with the still pictures, so if you want to see it on the car and see the condition of that, it's fine shape. Still pictures will be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Also have the headliner in it is in nice shape, so picture that in with the stills also. We're going to start it up here, let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay. All right, let's look at the interior of these, because the electronic liquid crystal display in these pretty cool. This does have the Delco Bose stereo system in it also. All right, let's check this out. In nice working order too. This car went through our inspection back in the shop with one of the techs and actually had very good review. And you can consult with your sales associate about that too if you'd like to know anything about that. They have the rundown on that. There's your electronic liquid crystal display. Raise the RPMs up there a little bit. As you can see, it works. You can also toggle through if you want oil pressure or oil temp in that upper left. There it's off, and then you can switch down to the temp. So if you don't want any of those on, you can actually turn them off if you'd like. You have your trip odometer and trip range. See, the toggles are working through those. Oil pressure, coolant temp is the upper right, and then volts. So you can switch back and forth. Those are also working. And then check out that miles per gallon, 24.0. 24 miles a gallon, not bad. V8 powered. And if you want to see your instant miles to the gallon, we'll click up. There it is. Click up to that. Of course, we're not going anywhere, so we're not going to get very good miles to the gallon. So all those are working. Stereo system. Let's click on this. AC Delco Bose stereo system, and tune it into a local station here. Stereo system works good. Alright, AC controls, like I said, AC does blow cold. Power windows, power mirrors work. Take a look at the top of that dash. Also in nice shape. Of course, windshield wipers over here on the door. And give it one swipe. Windshield wipers work. Alright. these seats. Decent shape. You can see some of the wrinkles and some of the wear, like you're going to have natural leather do, but considering the age and the miles, not too bad. Passenger seat, all like new over there. Very nice shape on the passenger seat for the miles. Alright, let's look around behind this car so you can hear it run. Nice little rumble coming out of it, nothing crazy. Alright, so I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay. So let's take a look how it looks under there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
As you can see, tilt forward hood. 5.7 liter Chevrolet V8. Also give you an idea of the condition of the tires, and you can see how clean this is. Very well taken care of engine bay. Newer battery, I noticed also. 11 of 20. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Oh, and on the headlights, to give you the heads up, a little issue with the passenger side, so I'm not going to flip them up. That will be addressed if you're purchasing this car. Headlight will work, just want to get the video out there. So, folks that are interested in this vehicle can get a good look at it. There you have it. 1984 Chevrolet Corvette. Big debut year after the C3. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, clean Carfax, confirms miles, no accidents indicated. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, and we can sure assist with the transportation of it.